guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for your continued love and your support. I'm not feeling 100% well. I've got a very terrible headache. I don't know if it's because it's the weather, like it's just really hot. And also around 2 weeks ago, I hit my hand, my left hand, on something at work, and it was really painful at the time when I did it. I didn't do anything about it. I like literally kept going, which I should have, as my mom said. Especially that I know the protocols. The hand is hurting me. It has been hurting me ever since. When I'm typing, I can feel it. It was a really bad hit. And I don't know, I didn't do anything about it. And now I can see it's really swollen. It's like really black and blue as well on my left hand. So I need to have a look into that. But my mom basically, when I was complaining like a week ago, I should say, about it, like it's really painful, she did say, let me sap it with some hot water, Jamaican style. Let me put on some water upon the fire and sap it and whatever with some salt and Epsom salt. I was like, yeah, but I'm rushing now, I need to get ready for work. But she did it today just now because the hand is not handing right now. The head is not heading. I'm feeling really crappy right now, to be fair, but nevertheless, we just got to keep pushing forward. And my mom is going to make dinner and I will show you what that is. But really, my head is really hurting. But yeah, I hope you're doing well. What's on your menu today? You're going to show me? I need to see what's on your menu today. This is mom's chicken, nicely seasoned to the core. It will be done in jerk style. She was going to put it in the oven, but with this heat going on, we're like, nope, we are not going to do it in any oven whatsoever. So she will most likely do it in the pot. She seasoned her chicken. You've got scallion here, you've got garlic, you've got some bell peppers, you've got tomato. She blended her pimento seeds or berries, whatever you want to call it, all the flavors and the spices are there to reflect the whole nature of this jerk that is in her container right here. So that's going to be for dinner today. And of course, I think she would already have pressured her peas. So it's going to be jerk chicken and rice and peas. Oh yes, maybe that will eliminate the hand and also the pain in the head. Who knows? Probably I'm just hungry. But no, I brought something to eat already. But anyway, I will show you as stage go by the finishing product. Yes, the finishing product. Don't like cooking at all. I hate it. I don't have the patience for it. The way my mom, she's got a patience for cooking, not me whatsoever. Like she would go all out, season her. I've got time for that. But in case of needs be where I need to cook, especially if my mom is not well, then yes, I will jump up and about and I will get started in the kitchen. Naturally, I don't like it. I just don't have the patience to be cutting up the season or whatever. But if someone that I trust and someone that is clean and someone that can do their thing, why not? And serve me like I'm a queen, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. And I love my eggs, but I love fluffy scrambled eggs and I love a well done made omelette as well. But you've got to know how to master it, because not because you're going to do it and it's going to be omelette or fluffy scrambled egg, it means that it's up to my scratch. No, I've got like a way that it must be done. So yes, I'll show you anyway how mom prepares her dinner today. You can follow her at Joanne Homemade Meals, okay? And it's the same over Instagram. Thank you so much, but stay tuned, you will see. pot. Your pot is looking amazing. You're jerking this in the pot. The other day my mom did chicken back here. It was so amazing. We can't take the oven right now, and over here is where mom has it. Mommy, they tell the people that walk one in your pot now. You don't have to
rice and peas pot this man.
No,
well seasoned up nicely
well
with
seasoned.
Everything, you know.
Yeah, her coconut and her scotch bonnet pepper.
Onion, white
onion,
everything, garlic, everything.
Oh my god.
Coconut milk, everything. One season, one simmer down.
Yes. Listen, I can't. You know that I laugh really loud, so don't get me started with this headache that I've got here. But yeah, this pot, half of the time my mom cooks, especially her rice and peas, I can tell you it doesn't even need, and I'm not saying this to make you feel good, but you know, it don't even need meat. So, you don't need no meat.
So this chicken now is kind of jerk and steam at the same time.
Oh, jerk and steam, yes.
Like the last one I did for you?
I do recall, actually, I do. Yes, yeah.
This is no water put in, nothing at all.
No, just spring its own water. And that is it, guys. Whenever you're cooking, before you just start adding in all of your water, we'll just allow it to spring its own natural water, okay? You know, just cover it up, put your meat in your pot, cover it up, and then allow it to spring naturally. And then at some stage, then that's when you're ready to add whatever you need to add, a bit of water, a bit of whatever and stuff like that. Yeah, am I in your way? You want to
I'm
stir
not going to
something?
put any water in this. This is not for addition. No water at all. Just do its own thing.
Yeah.
Turn on the stove very low.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Perfect.
Yeah,
absolutely. Look at all them herbs. Lovely. Yes, yes, yes.
It's marvelous.
Mommy pot. It's turning out to be probably even non-jerk. I think it's more like, I don't know, it's cooking in a way but with jerky flavors. You know what I mean? Like that kind of stuff. Don't you not think? And the spice.
You have to make it stop to the steam.
Oh, she needs to.
I'm telling you, man.
Let it stop to the steam. Yes. She's really happy. Whenever you see she's bubbling, she's excited. She's like, yeah. She's proud of her pot. To be fair, she is proud of her pot. How's the rice and peas pot going there?
I'm gonna wash
the rice. She's gonna wash the rice. Yes. We were gonna do like suck. Do you guys remember suck? We're in Jamaica, especially with this weather. But honestly, we are just a bit overwhelmed with tiredness, so we just wanna do what we're doing. And well, not that I'm really doing much, but you know, and make suck. I was like, I can't. I just said let's just do that another day. And yeah, we can do that another day. It's not a problem. Make some suck. And dash it in the freezer. Yeah. It's okay, she's just shutting me out, but we're gonna do that. I'm just waiting for the food. Favorite part of the day, or at the end of every cooking, dinner is served. Mommy said, I said, I sure see avocado there. Mommy said, yes, me sure me did. Did you not say that, Mommy? She said she sure she saw right now. The avocados, we have no luck with them. So she's just, dinner is ready, it's served, and we're gonna have dinner now, at least out of the kitchen, have the rest of the day for ourselves. Then later can prepare for another day, another week. Boy, the weekend run off so quickly. Yes. So mommy just getting the avocado in order, that's all. I'll show you, hold on. This lovely dinner is ready. Mommy cooked her delicious rice and peas, got avocado, we've got some steam. So the pak chow here, pak chow, is that how they call it? Yeah, And then this one, you basically, you steam it with the...
No, me fry it with some olive oil and garlic.
Oh, you fried it with some olive oil and garlic. That's supposed to be absolutely tasty. And this was all seasoned up jerk style, homemade, but she did it in the pot, so kind of steam slash a bit of jerk. So yeah, because when my mom is cooking, anyhow, I don't know, she can change her mind with however things turn out to be. But anyway, it's delicious. We are going to have our dinner. I hope you enjoy this video. And yeah, don't know what you're going to cook for your dinner in the kitchen, but happy Sunday. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos, and if you have shared it, I appreciate the same. So this is the end of the video officially. I have nothing else to record and nothing else to report for monitoring purposes. I'm just kidding. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you're going to cook something delicious as well. The same. My mom have a great passion and love for cooking. So whenever she's got the time and she's off from work, she's going to put it down in the kitchen. As for me, I already said I don't like cooking. I don't have the patience for it, but I will cook if I have to cook. Yeah, let me put it that way. But I really don't like it, to be fair. And I love when someone makes me a proper nice meal like my mom. So thank you so much. Do remember, you can like, share, and subscribe. You can also leave me a comment. You can tell your friends and your family about my channel. And until next time, bye.